Hello, and welcome to
Canva Conversations with Colby.
I'm Colby. Throughout this school year, the Jordan School District's Digital Teaching and Learning team will be emphasizing our district's Portrait of a Graduate. This vital document guides us in preparing students for success both in and beyond the classroom. As you can see, it outlines 6 key characteristics or skills that we are dedicated to cultivating in every student who graduates from our district. This month, our team is focused on creative problem solvers. And as we read here, as creative problem solvers, we unleash innovation, critical thinking, and resourcefulness to solve challenges. These bullet points add additional details, listing several things we want students to be able to do as creative problem solvers. In this video, I'm going to focus in on the second bullet point, to generate and consider multiple solutions to complex problems. In our district, we emphasize the digital learning Big 6 essential tech tools that we fully support and focus on in our training with teachers. In this video, I will be focusing in on Canva. This is also part of our Big 6 in 60 series. So I'm going to take 60 seconds now to tell you about how you can get your students using Canva, and specifically Canva Whiteboards, to generate and consider multiple solutions to complex problems. Here we go. Access Canva Whiteboards through this button on the homepage. Once you're there, you can search for templates. I found this brainstorm template that I like. I'm going to click to add that. This is a template that can be used for students to brainstorm solutions to problems. You can share this with students by clicking share, adding individual students by email, or by clicking this collaboration link, changing it to anyone with the link, and can edit and sharing that with your students. This is a brainstorm that's already happened. I'm going to go ahead and select all of these sticky notes, click the 3 dots here, and sort by topic. You'll see that when I do this, it's going to sort them and give a heading to the sticky notes based off the main idea. You can have students react to that by using the elements, by clicking on one and clicking add reaction, or by adding a comment. Here are a few other tips that your students can utilize as they brainstorm together using whiteboards, such as adding a sticky note by pressing the S key, downloading a selection of the whiteboard to share it with those who are missing, using a timer to stick to a time limit, and using the draw features. I hope that gives you some inspiration for how you can get your students using Canva to generate and consider solutions to complex problems, which again is one of the things we are committed to helping our students do as they develop into creative problem solvers. Thanks for watching.